Let's hop into the try not to say wow challenge. That's the last time I'm gonna say that word. Let's do it. What? See how I said what and not the word that we're not gonna be saying? How? How did they get rid of that so easily? I have no idea. They got rid of the spray paint on the wall like it was nothing, just with water. Easy clap. Easy clap. Do you have notifications on, by the way? Make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And if you want more of these kind of videos rather than the list videos that we used to do, then let me know down in the comments below, because I'll surely do that. And that's not just YouTube's, like, you know, I'm not trying to like, oh, bait you into getting more comments. I literally want to know if you like these type of videos or other type of videos. I'm not going to say the word, but that is incredible. What? What? Should be the try not to say what challenge, because I'm going to be saying what a lot if that's what is going to be showcased in this video. I'm really trying hard not to say the word, by the way. Have you said the word yet? Let me know down in the comments below. That's incredible. That's incredible. Is it like the Instagram logo? I think that's the Instagram logo, right? Yeah, that has to be. Really cool though. Did I say the word? Let me know down in the comments below. I don't know if I've said the word yet. I don't think I have. But I might have just said it last clip. I'm not sure. Who else likes chocolate? I love chocolate. Or for you lactose intolerant people, almond chocolate. That stuff's pretty good too. I'm not even lactose intolerant. I love that stuff. Why? Why is that so satisfying? Why is that so satisfying? Is that real? I really can't tell if that's real. It doesn't look real, but it kind of does in the same sense. I don't know. All I know is this video's really, really cool. They must really like IKEA. Really like IKEA. Because that is incredible. That was incredible. Jesus. Whew. Some people in this world are so talented, honestly. Like, I don't know about you guys, but some people, they just blow my mind. Like this person, who would have thought? Oh yeah, let's just spin it and put paint on it, and it'll look really cool. And it does. It looks amazing. Like this. I know there's gonna be comments below saying like, oh, I could do better than that, but that was really, really good. I can't do better than that, personally. But I know someone in the comments gonna be like, oh, I could make a better bird than that. Then do it. I wanna see them. I wanna see it, man. Maybe you'll be in the next compilation. Maybe. Never know. I don't know what's going on in this clip at all. All I know is that I'm really not trying to say the word. I'm really not. And it's hard with some of these clips because they're so cool. This one, on the other hand, I have no clue what's going on. Just like the last clip. That's okay. Maybe we'll figure it out. What is going on? Do any of you know? Oh, it's just like the other thing. You're using a pressure washer to get rid of the paint. I get it. I get it. I was gonna say the word. Jesus, that's incredible. I don't know if I'm the only one that was about to say the word, but I was about to say it. That's incredible. This is hard. This is a hard challenge. Why do you guys love seeing me suffer? I have no idea. Is this like a cake? That does not look good at all. That looks really good. That looks incredible. I take back what I said. That looked really good. What? They're transforming the Starbucks person into Harry Potter? People are way too creative. Way too creative. I need him to do that on my wall. Honestly. I forgot to turn on my light, actually. Should turn that on. I don't know if I'm the only one that's thinking like that guy was like the most talented person in the world, but that's what I'm thinking right now, to be honest. Jesus Christ. That was incredible. Like, how skilled do you have to be to like precisely make it even on both sides of the wall? I don't know. I saved the best for last, but first, I have a quick challenge that takes only 5 seconds to complete. I want you to go down right now and hit that like button. Also, while you're down there, make sure to subscribe for more videos. If you do hit that subscribe button, then also hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can turn on post notifications. If you have hit that like button, you did subscribe to the channel, then let me know by putting a comment below saying I subscribed, and I'll reply back to 100 lucky individuals. I'm dumbfounded, to be honest. Simply dumbfounded. Okay, that's not real. That last one wasn't real, I don't think. I'm not sure. Simply incredible. These people love their brands. I'm guessing that's saying Coca-Cola, right? Yeah. This person is so skilled. So skilled. He needs to be hired by Coca-Cola themselves. Wow. That's a really good piece of art. And all they did was just splatter paint, but it's so good. Hey, I said this in the last video, but that's what my cousin does on really big sheets though. Like from my ceiling to my floor. Of just Chinese lettering. Mandarin. But really good job, man. What is that? Oh, is that a watermelon? No, that's not a watermelon, is it? I think it was some kind of plant, but like I've never seen a plant like that. And trust me, I've seen a lot of plants doing these videos for you guys. This kind of videos. So many different things that I learn every day by helping you guys learn as well as entertaining, of course. But you guys are really smart. I read a lot of your comments, and a lot of you are so smart, man. It's incredible. That's so neat. I wish my writing was that neat.